Well guys, we're going to take a walk through town. Might need zooming up a bit. There we go. It's actually 17 degrees now. Feel warmer when I come out. About 20 degrees there. Okay, we're going to battle our way up through town. There's a few guys out tonight. Few guys coming around the corner there. You guys are always looking forward to coming back. Probably next year now. I think if we can get around this forest, it'll be a bumpy year for Benidorm next year. Let's hope so, they need it. I think it's just Benidorm now. I think it's most holiday type places. We need a good boost next year. Over to the UK, all over Europe I think. Some wood shop there. They look like our passes, but they're not. Put different stuff in. A lot of tomato and cheese in the pasties, and they do seem to like that out here.
No tengo esa misma necesidad que
So I found a way to getting most of the stuff we miss from the UK. One place and another. Okay guys. Not going to put too much of that on. YouTube man to know what it is. It sounds like another hail up, hurry up, whichever way you want to do it. Go around there. There's getting puppies from everywhere at the moment. We'll see what happens. I might have to put music over some of it. Just noticed today these double scooters. Side by side scooters. I don't know whether they've a new thing. It's some Robinson before. Must have been. Sorry about the lights tonight. There's obviously a switch on day for them. I think they're just testing them out. A little bit disappointed about that, but there you go. We'll catch them later in the year. Few of the bars open down here. And guess what? We're back down towards the sea. Oh, there. Oh, coming to the end of another video. There's more music coming down. Oh dear. I'll just keep talking over it. Just go along a bit and then we'll end the video there. For some no reason my camera is not giving me a good view of this. Okay, back on there. Okay guys, we're going to leave the video there. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. If you're one of our subscribers, come back. Thank you very much. Would you like the video? It all helps. It helps us to get noticed a bit more. Okay then, bye.